I am still shocked to see that people are asking for $50, $60 and up to $80 for this on Etsy. So let's jump right into the build. I'll share all the dimensions in the screen for you to take note if you need to. However, this is one of those products where you would hardly go wrong on the dimensions because people can use this for different purposes in the bathroom, as a caddy in the bathroom, in the kitchen for a grill, or as a toolbox caddy. So I'll suggest when you make this, you can make different sizes and stage it differently for different purpose or different uses. Hello and welcome to the channel if this is your first time. If it's not your first time, then welcome back to the channel. Thank you for stopping by. Like I mentioned earlier, I put in the dimension that I used on the screen for you to see and take note if you would like. But I'll encourage you to use any dimension you want. I don't think you will go wrong on the dimensions. You can just make sure they're standard and easy for you to replicate. If you have not already done so, please consider subscribing to the channel and help me grow the channel into a friendly and helpful community. Thank you. It seems like there's always one nail that will stick out. It's easy to just wiggle it and it breaks off easily. If you're not comfortable doing it with your bare hand, you can just grab a plier and then use that as I did in one of the other ones that was sticking out a little bit. I want you to know that I appreciate you taking the time to watch the video up to this point. And at the same time, I am hoping that you will have a tangible experience of God's love today. You might like one of these videos that are showing up in your screen. Thank you for taking your time to watch the video up to this end. God bless you and take care.